Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix if Find My iPhone is grayed out and how we can fix it on your iPhone. As you can see, in my case it is completely grayed out, so how I can fix it. So what you need to do is you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now go over here, give a passcode and you have to sign in. And once you get into this, you have to scroll down and navigate to the stolen device protection, and as you can see, you have to try turning it off. So now it asks you for the security delay, which means you have to wait for 1 hour. After the 1 hour, you have to come back to the same and you have to turn off your stolen device protection. Then you just need to go back. After this is successfully done, after stolen device protection is turned off, if you go back over here and now from in the Find My, you can turn it off and it will be available, and that's what you have to do. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.